In this initial release of Infinito, there are three different erosion types. We have thermal, improved thermal, and hydraulics erosion. We have also a way to smooth our terrain, which basically it's averaging our height map pixels, but of course it's not responding to any physics law. While thermal and hydraulics erosion functions are indeed conforming to actual physics laws. How this works? Well, we have a simple height map here, and I just generated it very quickly. It's just a below noise type with a deformer curve effect. I applied some turbulence, and now I am going to terraform so that I show you what this terrain looks like in 3D. Alright, so you see this terrain is quite rocky, and it's a bit rough. You see it has some sharp edges, and I want to smooth this a little bit. So what I'm going to do is to apply some erosion. Just a note, erosion is well, the erosion control is available while in height map mode. So if you are in texture map mode, you just need to switch the slider to height map, and there you get the erosion controls. Let's apply some thermal erosion, for example. Let's try with 5 iterations. I also want to preview my image first, and as you see, all the height map has been smooth, and I'm going to terraform now and see the result. You will have to get back in this movie to compare what it was like before, but if you remember, before erosion it was quite sharp, and it has quite some sharp edges and corners, and now we have smooth cliffs and a much smoother surface. And of course I can apply even more thermal iterations. If I go for example with 50 and I preview my height map, you see that now it's even more smooth. And when I terraform, I will surely be getting a much more smooth terrain. And in fact, you see that now all those crest and rough terrain edges are gone. We are getting some sort of dunes now. And in the same way, you can revert to no erosion, and if you like, you can try also the improved thermal algorithm, which is similar to the thermal, but maybe it gives more smooth results. And there is also the hydraulics, which is very nice, and it simulates rain and water flow around the height map. The hydraulics needs a higher number of iterations. Usually, well, I suggest you to try with 200, 250 iterations, and you can even choose the rain amount and solubility, capacity, and evaporation. To know what each of these parameters does, please see also in the manual. And I'm just going to apply this hydraulics algorithm and terraform. Alright, it's taking a little bit more than the thermal one, also because we have a higher number of iterations, and this is our terrain with hydraulics erosion applied. Okay, And so this was the erosion feature of Infinito.